Hi VJs, in this video we will talk about the art of VJing and the best ways how a VJ can interpret music visually. Interpreting music visually is a very creative and subjective topic itself. No Einstein has tied any VJs with any formula, yet all the VJs think them, feel them. By taking these steps, you can become more classy and morph music into your visuals. If you are a noob, buckle up. If you are a pro, let me know what are the points you got in common. Listen to it, please. As a VJ, listening to music in depth can greatly enhance your ability to create visually stunning and dynamic performances. Start by listening the music you will be visualizing and try to get a feel of its tempo, mood and energy. Take mental or actual note of different elements of the music, such as the beat, melody and the lyrics, and think about how you can visually represent them. Study the structure of music, such as the arrangement, form and progression of sections. Understanding the lyrics and the meaning behind the music can give you a deeper understanding of overall feeling or the mood of the music. A pro tip: if I get booked by an artist, I try to put their songs into my phone and try to listen to them whenever possible, till the gig. Listen to the live performance. Attending live performances or watching live video performances can give you a deeper idea and understanding in a more holistic way. Study music visualization. Do you remember or still use classic Winamp visualizer? Watching them can help you develop deeper understanding how few lines of codes have been interpreting music and visually interact to any songs we put. So they can help you create more dynamic and engaging performances, being the benchmark of synchronization. Study music videos. By taking time to study music videos and analyze the various elements that makes that effective, VJ can learn new techniques, gain inspiration and continue to develop their skills and style. Watch music videos to see how their video directors have interpreted the music visually and get inspired from their work. Pay attention to visual themes, color palettes and the effect they use, and think about how you could apply those elements to your own work. Very often, mostly in cases of branded shows, VJs required to recreate a published music video of the song or production. Watch music videos from different genres and styles, even if you don't dig it much. This will broaden your understanding of different ways music and visual can be combined. Consider the timing, rhythm and the composition of the visual and how they match with the music. Even if your music test won't support, try watching the immersiveness of productions. Doing that, you might run into Tool or Rammstein, or maybe spend few time to figure out the rhythm she's trying to make and why. Study editing and compositing. One mega power a VJ could have is being an editor himself or herself. So study the editing. Look at how the music videos are edited, including the pace, transition and the special effects. Think about the story just like the music composer thought it to be, unless consider the story being told in the music video and how the visual and music work together to tell the story. Take a note on lighting. Observe the use of lighting in the music video and how it contributed to the overall look and the feel of the music video. In a music video, some talented guy called director, another guy called cinematographer already spent a lot of time behind creating the mood of the story. So if you already have a music video, just get it alive. Make it happen in live. If you gotta learn it from the best. Study the work of renowned music video directors and VJs. Experiment with different styles. Try out different visual styles and techniques to see what works best for the music you are visualizing. You might find that some styles work better in certain type of music while others are more effective for different moods and energy level. A tip: when you are a VJ and practicing and you run into a music you don't like, don't just skip. Give it a listen. Try to understand why you don't like it, and then call your musician friends and tell them what not to do, ever. There you go, your first marketing call as a VJ. Use visual cues. Visual cues are important for VJs to create engaging visual experience. To simplify, visual cues are visual moments, mostly made with collaborating with artists on stage, pre-planning and executing some bang moments together. This could be as simple as planning with the band that on the fourth song, a guitarist walks to the center, takes a long solo while you put flying birds on the backdrop. By using visual cues effectively, a VJ can create more immersive and engaging visual experience. So, if you are a VJ and imagine yourself as a device, you turn on when the stage is on or your artist is on and stay running till the end. Throughout the time, pay attention to the musical cues in their music, such as changes in tempo, rhythm or melody, and try to create corresponding visual cues to match them. Repeat elements, like the band or singer or DJ does the hook or chorus. Repeat elements or patterns in your visual to create a sense of structure and rhythm. This can help keep audiences engaged and interested in what you are presenting. Use visual cues to emphasize on key moments in the music, such as chorus or the climax. This can help to heighten your impact of this moment and keep audiences more engaged to the performance. Absolutely, try to match visual changes to the music changes. Use the visual cues that are synchronized to the beat, rhythm and melody of the music. Using contrast. One cool approach is to use contrasting elements. Consider the display medium to be finally used. The mobile phone display or laptop or monitor display you are using right now or in your studio might be, or I can say will be, different in a concert. LED walls emit huge lights where projection requires certain darkness. Another use of contrasting visual elements is to create interest and draw attention of audiences. For example, you can use bright colors in a high energy section for the music and go much muted color in the slower sections. Use symbolism. Use visual cues that have symbolic meaning to add depth and more meaning to your visuals. For example, you could use imagery that represents the visual theme of the music or the band or the brand or the mood you are trying to convey. Collaborate with musicians. If possible, work closely with the musicians to get deeper understanding of the music you will be visualizing. This can help you to create visuals that are more in the tune of music and better reflects the mood and energy. And the last point would be, you all have heard your grandpa trying to say this over and over. Practice and refine your skills. The more you practice, the better you will become at interpreting music visually. Pay attention to the feedback you receive from your audiences and use it to refine your work and continue to grow as a VJ. Let me know in the comment below what is your thought. See you next time.